Back, everybody. Rocheport is working overtime to prepare for flooding tonight as the Missouri River continues to rise. City officials made the decision Tuesday to start sandbagging along the Katy Trail. Volunteers put sandbags along the trail today in an effort to keep floodwaters away from the town. It was a community effort to protect the town, and it is not done yet.
We will work continuously here, probably 24 hours a day, until this incident has passed. So we're all in for the long haul. It's the way it works in a river town.
The river is expected to continue rising for the next couple